Here's how I put my ribbon onto the Christmas tree. I got a big thing of wire ribbon and I cut it to 20 inches. Just take your scissors and cut it, and then you're gonna give it a quick twirl and just kind of tuck it in here and tuck it in here, and that's how it looks. Once you cut the ribbon, it's already kind of twirled and it's hard to do this one-handed, but just find any bare spot in the tree and the ribbon will cover it up. So like here's kind of a bare spot and I will tuck it in and show you. I shoved this ribbon a little further back and you can see that it just draws the attention away from the bare spot and you see a pretty ribbon. It does not have to be perfect. I'll show you another before and after spot. So I'm gonna put one in right here. See how the ribbon kind of filled in that bare spot? I also like to add in some furry ribbon. So we'll do the same thing, go about 20 inches, cut it, and then just give it a twirl, just like you did the red ribbon, and put it into the tree. The only difference is with the white furry ribbon, you don't want to twirl it obviously because it doesn't have material on the back. So you just kind of shove it in like that, and I think it's nice to highlight a red ornament. Here's a few more places where I used the furry ribbon. It really looks pretty against a red ornament, and if you have any more bare spots, it works really well to fill in any bare spot that you have and stand out against red.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's